I use generative AI to summarize the transcript from one of my podcast episodes in just minutes. It's extremely easy to do. You don't have to train a large language model, and you can use it for plenty of other things too. I'm going to show you exactly what I did so you don't have to figure it out for yourself. And you may be wondering, are the results any good? What tool did I use? Why would I need to do this? And can I use it to help me make a social media post? Before I answer all of those questions, we'll start by taking a look at my transcript. This is the transcript from an interview I recently did with Sunil Murthy. He is a watsonx technical leader at IBM. We talked about his career, but spent the majority of the time recapping news and announcements from IBM's Tech Exchange conference. We did the meeting in Microsoft Teams, and when you do that, you're actually able to export out an automatically generated transcript. It's not perfect, but it does pretty good. As far as the tools go, I'm in IBM watsonx, and I'm going to open up the prompt lab. This kind of interface should be at least somewhat familiar if you've used other AI tools. For this video, I'm not going to deep dive into the differentiators and things like that. We're just going to focus on the task at hand. So I'm able to actually upload documents directly into memory. I've already uploaded this one before. If we needed to upload a document that wasn't already there, it's very simple. Just browse, find the one you need, or select it from your project if you already have it. We could also pull from watsonx.data Milvus, Elasticsearch, other vector stores. All right, so I'm going to select this document. This is our Tech Exchange recap transcript. Going to go ahead with my first prompt here. I'm using the Llama 3 405 billion parameter instruct model. There are all kinds of different models we could use. I've been playing around with some different ones. All right, so my prompt was to identify the main discussion points, decisions, and action items from the attached transcript and give me a concise bulleted summary. And that is exactly what is happening here. This is a fantastic response. We have our summary, action items, no decisions, which is accurate. We did not have any specific decisions, and any main discussion points. So that one was in there as a test, if you will. All right, so my next prompt from the main bullet points, referring to what we generated above. Please generate a summarized post to share to LinkedIn about this transcript. So this is something where you could very easily make a LinkedIn post that you're going to share out there. So this one is absolutely fantastic. We have bullet points, we have bolding, it actually has a recommendation in there, let's tag Sunil in that post. Here's a link if there's some kind of link we should offer. And then it's actually putting hashtags out there for us. Now, you may not use this exactly as it is, but it is a great starting point. It's a great way to kickstart some ideas. If you're anything like me, you often just need that initial starting point or that foundation, and then you can go from there. So for my next prompt, this is prompt number 3, I'm going to say, can you shorten that up a little bit? I want to make that post just a little bit shorter. And that's exactly what happens. So this is a very great shortened version of that post. And this is going to be the final prompt. I think this might be the coolest one. So based on the attached transcript, which section would be the best used for a short highlight video about AI governance? And please provide the timestamps. This is really cool. So, obviously people go out there to TikTok and Instagram, whatever, and they watch those, short videos, short form videos. So if you want to create those, sometimes it can be a little tricky to, remember, oh, where did this happen in the video? Well, look at this. It is telling us exactly where I should go to make a video about AI governance. So I can focus in on that 32 to 36 minute mark, and it even calls out some of the specific topics that were discussed at that time. I think this is absolutely fantastic. Just to do a quick recap, I used IBM watsonx to summarize the transcript from a 45-minute podcast interview in just seconds. I generated great results that can be used to describe my podcast, make a social media post, and more. If you enjoyed this video, just do the usual like, subscribe, or comment, and let me know what you'd like to see more of. Thanks for watching.